There's no better time to bring in a little extra cash than the holidays because you've been racking that credit card up, buying those stupid presents for all those nasty kids of yours. I'm just kidding. You spend all that money on Christmas presents and whatnot, and you want to make a little extra cash. This is how you can do it. You start making extra funds today. If you got kids or grandkids that are sitting around doing nothing all day, this is something that you can teach them, and they could be your little minions and start making money for themselves, or even making you money. This is a side hustle that's 100% legit. I'm going to show you how. My name's Jake Lorraine. I own highresponsemarketing.com and printingforsupercheap.com. What you're going to be doing is selling holiday cards. What do they look like? This one. Oh, wait, not that one. Like these. Okay, this is someone's picking up. But your holiday, you would get the matching pajamas or whatever, and you get the pictures of the family together. You send them out to people for Christmas. Well, some people who are well organized have already put those out, but there's a lot that are last minute. They're like, I need a place to print these. I am 100% positive you have friends, families, classmates, office, coworkers, people at your church. You have people that need these Christmas cards sent out, and they're behind the ball. And they need to find someone to print them, to get them designed, and that's going to be you. It's going to be you or your kid or your grandkid or whoever you show this to, and you're going to make a tidy little profit in the process, and everyone's going to be happy. It is surprisingly easy to do when you have all the right resources. Now, first, let's look at what most people do. Most people, but a lot of people send these cards out. Maybe you don't, but I guarantee you know a lot of people who do. Most people go on a site like a Vistaprint, or they go on Zazzle, or they go to like Staples, and they pay an arm and a leg for these things. So they go on Etsy, and they get a design, and they gotta go find a printer. It's a long process. You gotta have it designed, you gotta pick a template, you gotta find the right photos, you gotta make sure the photo resolutions, all that nonsense. It's a big process. Then you gotta wait, right? And it'll be like, oh, okay, we'll get you your prints in a month, but you can pay like $40 extra and have them, in 2 weeks instead. You wait forever, and sometimes you miss out. So we're going to take all the complexity out of it, and I'm going to show you how to actually sell these. Help your friends, coworkers, families, all these people that are going to want these. You're going to do it so easy. It's going to be the easiest thing ever. All you have to do is canva.com, okay? Canva.com is 100% free. They have a paid version. You don't need it. The free version, you can take your friends, families, whoever's pictures and put them into the bazillion templates they have. Like you go on canva.com and just type in holiday cards, Christmas cards, and you're going to see a ton of beautiful templates. They don't cost anything. You can use any of those, put in whoever you're doing these cards for, put in someone's picture. You swap it in there, put their name, that's it. And then you go over to me, printingforsupercheap.com. You shoot me an email. My contact information is below. And we're going to give you the cheapest, fastest rates. We'll print these. In most cases, we'll print these the next day and then ship them to you. So you'll have them in like a day or two. It's going to be extremely fast. It's going to be way cheaper. You're paying like for 50 of these cards, you're paying like $80 to $150 when you go on Vistaprint, you go on Zazzle. I'm going to be like $45 with envelope. I'll do these for $45 for you. Shipped. Completely shipped with envelopes. And we have to, it didn't know it came from me. It looked like it came from you. So you get these together, you got 50 of them, $45. You can sell these for $1.50 each, and you're going to be making $25 to $50 profit. I know it's not get rich kind of money, but you do 10 of these, you got $500. You could do a lot with $500. You don't have to go to the OnlyFans anymore. You could just sell the Christmas cards. And it's not just Christmas. It's not just Christmas. You have quinceañeras, you have RSVPs, wedding invites, baby shower. What are the other things that people, bachelorette, Jack and Jill, just married, getting married, just divorced, freshly divorced, on the market again. Whatever you can think, there's so many of these things, and you can sell them all. You, your kids, your grandkids, your friends, anyone that's in a tough position needs to make a little extra cash. This is a brilliant way to do it. So again, you go on Canva, you design the card. It's real easy. Anyone can do it. Canva's 100% free. You can even do it on a phone, on a mobile app. And I'm not an affiliate of Canva. I don't make it. I should be. I would make it all to be rich. Wouldn't have to show you how to make money anymore. I'd be living in the high life. Go on Canva. It's totally free. Get that design. You shoot me or my team an email, jake@printingforsupercheap.com. My information's below. You can text it to me. I don't care. It's going to be cheaper than you'll find anywhere else, and it's going to be fast. You're going to be able to get these things super fast. Whatever profit you want to make. If you want to make $20, you want to make $50, you can literally make about $50 to $100 profit on these and still be competitive with all the other sites like Zazzle and Vistaprint. The quality is going to be better and it's going to be extremely fast. I will print these so fast for you and get them into their hands. You're going to look amazing. You're going to look like a big hero. If it's not for you, I'm sure you know someone that could probably use a few extra bucks and you can share it with them. Probably asking, how do I sell these? Jake, how do I actually find people? Look, you know people. Okay, ask them. Post on your Facebook. Ask around. You got holiday dinners and stuff. You're at the liquor store. You're talking with people and stuff. You mention it. Okay, you mention it to your family, your friends, people you work with. You work in an office. You don't think the word travels fast in an office where everyone's yapping about everything? School. You got classmates. You got other people that are doing this. Just get the word out there. Okay, post it on your Facebook. Talk to people. It's gonna make them tell other people. Because at this point, a lot of people don't have time. They don't have 3 weeks to wait to go get it on Vistaprint. They can get it through you super fast and make that money. I want to see you making that cash. You might be not getting rich, but it's going to pay down those freaking credit card bills. Get the swiping that credit card too much. I got to pay it down. So I hope you enjoy that. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up. You can text me, call me, you can email me, whatever you need to do. Me or someone on my team here, I'll get back to you. But a lot of times it's me. Be answering this phone at freaking midnight and stuff. I go, what the heck am I doing here? All these things. Christmas invites 5x7, 4x6. Even this, like, I got that. Get that thing out of there. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned because I have a lot more of these little side hustles that you can do. I will not steer you wrong.